This is Leburry's Coffee Grinder Pro. Let's dive right in. As we open the box, we're greeted with several plastic packs. The largest one contains the main unit itself. We also get a grinding cup, an extra handle bracket, which we'll talk about more later, 2 dosing rings, and a rubber powder discharger. There's also a smaller box that includes a cleaning brush, a Type-C charging cable, and a hex wrench, which we'll be using shortly. Now, before we dive deeper into the machine's functions, it's important to note that you should fully charge the grinder before first use. This helps ensure optimal performance and a more consistent grind. Now, let's take a closer look at the grinder itself. On top, we have the bean hopper. Turning the hopper counterclockwise until the arrow lines up allows you to remove it for deeper cleaning. When it comes to the handle brackets, it really depends on your portafilter size or if you will use the cup provided. It really depends on what coffee you're gonna make. The grinder comes with 2 brackets, 51mm and 58mm. Using the hex wrench, simply unscrew the bracket and replace it with the one that fits to your needs. Another accessory is the rubber powder discharger. You can choose not to use this, but it's very handy for cleaning and for releasing any residual coffee grounds inside the machine. Installation is straightforward. Moving on to the controls. On the right side, we have the power button. This grinder operates on a timer-based system, allowing you to set grind times from 5 seconds up to 98 seconds, simply by adding or subtracting time. On the left is the grind button, which starts the grinding process using the selected timer. Now, let's test it out. First, fill the bean hopper with your preferred coffee beans. Set your desired grind size. Since we're making espresso, we'll choose a finer grind. Place your portafilter into the bracket, and as you can see, it locks securely in place. Attach the dosing ring to prevent any coffee from spilling. Now, start the grind. As you can see, it's grinding smoothly and consistently. During or after grinding, you can press the rubber discharger to release any remaining grounds inside the machine. Once it's done, take a look at the result. The coffee is evenly ground and ready to use. And if the battery ever runs low, simply recharge it using the included Type-C cable, quick and convenient. Overall, the Leburry Coffee Grinder Pro offers a clean setup, flexible compatibility, and reliable performance, making it a solid choice for everyday espresso and coffee brewing.